Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the ZTE Blade V70 Max. Okay, so let's begin. So let's open up our settings. And once we are here, we need to scroll down until we found the system and update. And in here we have option called backup and change phone. Let's begin with the change phone, but unfortunately in my case it doesn't want to work. I don't know why. So for example, when I click on share phone switch, which is the app the phone wants to use, and when I'm connecting with the other device, I simply cannot successfully share the file. The downloading process is simply cancelling. But if you want, you can try it on your own. Maybe in your case it will work. Okay, but we have also the Google backup. And now in here, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged in. Below we also have the free space. And let's make sure that backup by Google One is enabled right in here. And also let's make sure that we have some free storage space. Also remember that if you will want to restore your backup in the future, please make sure that you won't forget the Google account that is currently right in here, because on that Google account the backup will be stored, and otherwise if you forget it, you won't be able to restore your backup. Okay, so once everything is selected, all we need to do now is to click on that button, backup now. Okay. And now you can see this thin little bar right in here. And now we need to wait until it gets to the opposite edge of the screen. And then we will also see an information on the bottom of the screen that backup is confirmed and successfully made. So let's wait until it's finished. Alright, as you can see, your data is backupped. And that's basically the whole process. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.